Good morning. Happy Father's Day to all of the fathers out there. I slept on the sofa so my missus could have a lie in. I've come out, it's 4 AM to get out and hopefully get some bassels. This beach is going to be loaded with people today when it gets up to about 32 degrees, so I've just come out before the sun comes up and fingers crossed we can get some action, so let's go. Wow, what a morning. It's absolutely stunning. All I want today is just a bass. 50 centimeters for the barbecue. We don't usually come out into this area when I fish. I just thought I'd walk the kayak down this morning and come somewhere close to home. Oh, check that out. We're nearly at the little area that I want to fish, but I just thought, how beautiful is that? Absolutely stunning. Anyone that watches my episodes, that rock there is a rock that I usually walk out to and we fish in and around this area. I'm going to actually boot it a little bit more towards flat rocks in front of us out there, and we're going to go from there. If you do see any birds, you know what to do, beat the horn. We're looking for some birds this morning, we're looking for some action. Right, we are pretty much out to where I'm going to start today. The tide is, it's about 2 hours till low tide at the moment, so we are naturally going to drift out that way. But because it's first light, I think it'd be stupid not to start with a top water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drift, work my way through, drift, work my way through, and we'll just see if we can find some fish. Oh my god, there's dolphins right next to me. Oh my god. Look at this. There's dolphins. Dolphins just here. Oh wow, look, there's a dolphin right there. Big dolphin right there. Hello, mate. Wow, that's incredible. I've never been this close to dolphins on a yak before. For the first time today, I've seen a load of birds here. They're all going a little bit berserk. I don't know what they're doing. There's a bit happening in this area. There was a bit happening in this area a second ago, so. Oh, fish on! There we go! And that's why there was a bit happening. Boom! Oh, it's a nice fish. It's a nice fish. It snapped me off. Oh no. Snap me off. What the fuck? Damn. I don't know what's happened there. That rod must have a kink in the armour. I have to go for my lighter rod. Damn. Oh, I can't believe that just happened. So this is the lure that I've just been using out in the kayak, a Frosty. Exurus Frosty. Probably hands down my favourite lure out in the kayak over many years of fishing. I've caught so many fish on this little thing. The action on it is just incredible, and all it does is literally, if you're bringing it towards you, it zigzags to the side like so, with the rod action up, as you've seen just before, just twitching it, and it just zigzags. When you stop it, it would just come to a stop, and then when you flick it again, it will come back again and do so like that. One of my favourite lures. But I just lost it, as you can just see. Lost it on that lovely fish off the front of the yak. And looking back at the footage, it's the braid that hits the front of my yak, and this thing snaps off. So what I'm going to use next is an Asturie. So me being me, I didn't actually have another Frosty in the colour I liked, so I had to use this. Now I use this in the next part of the video, and trust me, this thing is an absolute little killer. It's got the same kind of action where it kind of skips along the top, but because of this nose, it kind of dives into the water. Now you'll hear me banging on about how I think I'm actually not doing it right, or what am I doing wrong, but I went into Mr. Fish shortly after this video to speak about this particular lure, and he said there's no right or wrong. Just bring it in and let it do its own thing. And it was causing the bass to go absolutely berserk. I don't know what happened there, just snapped off. This one's a bit of a lighter rod. All the birds were diving in this area, so I thought I'd just come over here and give it a go. It's the first bit of action I've seen. Bang. Oh, I just had a fish again. Oh, the heart's pumping. Fish just exploding in front of me. There you go, fish on the Asturie. Let's try and get him out of this rock. Oh, he seems up. I don't know how big he is. He's only small. It's our first fish. Well, it's not our first fish. We've had a bigger fish, but there you go. On the Asturie. Absolutely gobbled it. There we go. Right, let's get back into that zone. We have found some fish. We have found some fish at last. On the Asturie, just had one. Oh, there you go. Bang! Gobbled me up. Oh, kind of a small fish, but it's okay. Tiny fish. There we go. And just on the little Asturie. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. Oh, fish on me. Oh, there you go. Oh! Bang. Oh, there's bass everywhere behind it. Oh, he's a keeper as well, I'd say. Oh, nice fish. Well, there are so many fish in this area. Asturie is just nailing them. It's not even deep. There you go, first fish. I just lost a 5-6 pounder on the front of the boat.
You had one?
Yeah, oh, I've had loads, man, but I just had one about 5-6 pounds and I had it here and it went under and it snapped my line. Huh? Mate, oh, behind me, just behind me in this thing, just on the surface lure. Have you just got out?
Yeah.
Oh, right, I've been out since 4.
Have
Yeah, it was absolutely stunning this morning. There were dolphins in here before. Yeah, there were dolphins in here just before. Yeah. Right, I'll leave you to it. I'll speak to you later. Oh, I can't believe I lost that big fish. Oh, good fish. Oh, yes. Absolutely nailed me there. Oh, it's off. Oh, no, it's not. It's swimming towards me. Oh, beautiful fish in this. Oh, he's off. Popped off. The big fish seems to be right in this little zone here, just in front of me. Took a little bit of a while to find some fish this morning, but I tell you what, we found them good and proper now. Let's keep this party going. Let's keep this party going. Oh, this is absolutely great fishing night. There's so many fish around. This little Asturie is just nailing them. There were fish just in here before, absolutely pumping bait. Oh, bang! It's not a big fish. It's only a small fish, but... Oh, he popped off again. There are loads of fish about. This is absolutely quality stuff. Actually go for something a little bit different. So I've been working this Asturie, but it keeps dipping and diving. I don't know why. Maybe that's just how it's supposed to be. I think I'm going to go for a super spook. Wow. This morning was very slow to start off with. Seen a load of birds diving eventually. Lost that £5 fish. I don't know what happened. I think I had maybe a cracked eye snapped off. But it was a blessing in disguise because I've gone down to the lighter rod and the action's been insane. I've had quite a few fish, a couple of keepers as well, which has been nice. I've got one in the back of the boat. The Asturie, a lure that I hardly use, has been the lure of choice, to be honest. I changed over to a super spook, but I just feel there's too much noise, if that makes sense. It's quite flat, it's quite silent around here at the moment, and I just feel that there was just too much going on with the lure. So I'm going to change over in a minute. I've just had a hydration break. I'm going to check the time, see where we're at, and what I'll do is we're going to just get back out of this little area that we're in and start sneaking a background. The tide's still, I think, dropping. It's 6:30 low tide, something like that, so we'll have a quick gander. Yeah, it's not even low tide yet, so got time to play. But hey, look at this, we're out, we're enjoying ourselves. It's been a beautiful morning so far. Had to work for the first fish, but hey, we found them nonetheless. There's plenty of fish around now to be had, so fingers crossed we can get some more. I think I'm going to gut this fish actually and go from there. So this is the lure that I've been having all my luck on, little Asturie. You can actually hear, this is the spook that I've got on, the noise difference in the lure. This one's got more of a thump, this one's got more of a deeper kind of action, and that one I'm not really getting many hits on, but this one I am. So I'm going to go back to the Asturie and fingers crossed we can start nailing some more fish. bass behind me. There are literally bass everywhere. There are literally bass everywhere this morning.